India-Pakistan is at war. Whether streets like it or not, there is high probability that we are going to see increasing tensions at the borders is very high. This might be a short-term phenomenon and things might cool down after a while. But what is happening today is suggestive of a long-term trend that countries like India are inevitable to witness it in the foreseeable future. And there are two elements to this trend. First, increasing spending in the defense, and second, more focus on indigenization. We have specifically said the trend is inevitable. Whatever be the short term reaction, if India wants to become an economic superpower, it needs defense capabilities that are much better than it has today. Now, these defense capabilities cannot be built overnight. Of course, you can resort to the foreign purchases, but it is a very costly matter. And during the crisis, there is no assurance of the reliable supplies. So it is better to have your own defense capabilities that is much stronger than your other peers. So in the long term, there is no alternative to building your own capability. All these above factors means defense stocks are going to stay in focus for a long period of time. So here are few defense stocks that we have shortlisted which have a great potential to grow in the long term. When it comes to defense stocks, they cannot be valued like other stocks for multiple reasons. Firstly, no defense company will announce anything that it is working on something and it has got success. First, it will secure the order and then only it will announce and we will get to know about that. So, we cannot expect any rousy projections from the analyst meetings. Secondly, most projects that defense companies work on are spread over months and years. So, they carry the appropriate risk. So, there could be phases where the growth is not very high and suddenly there is impact of the tender that the growth starts to pick up. So, if you are planning to buy a defense stock, please have an extremely long term perspective and not just because there are tensions at the borders today. So let's get started. So the first stock in our list is Bharat Dynamics Limited. This company manufactures guided missiles and allied defense equipments. And it is one of the key players of the defense sector of India. So this company's market capital is at 56,000 crore rupees. Stock is trading at 99 P ratio and the industry P ratio is at 79.8. ROCE company is generating 24.2% and ROE is 17.9%. Next, if you look at the debt on the company, the debt is very negligible at 2.95 crore rupees. You can call it almost a debt-free company. If you look at its past stock price, the stock has corrected from the levels of 1731 rupees and now it is trading at a fairly discounted valuation. The next stock in our list is Bharat Electronics Limited. So this company is majorly involved into manufacturing of electronic equipments and telecommunication equipments. So basically it is like an IT company into the defense sector. So its market capital is 2,29,000 crore rupees. Stock is trading at 46 PE ratio and industry PE is at 62.3. That makes this stock very attractive. Company has generated 34.6% ROC and ROE company is generating 26.3%. And last but not the least, debt on this company is very negligible at 60 crore rupees if you compare it with its market capital. And the last stock in our list is Paras Defense and Space Technologies Limited. So this company majorly works into the defense sector as well as it works into the space technologies. This company is involved into manufacturing of drones that are unmanned vehicles that can be used into the defense sector. Company's market capital is at 5,400 crore rupees, a very small company. You can call it a small cap company, and it is trading at the P ratio of 89.1. If you compare it with industry P ratio, it is 79.8. ROC of this company is 15.4% and ROE of this company is 11.3%. So this company is one of the key companies that is involved into drone manufacturing and it is manufacturing drones for the defense sectors as well. And lastly, you can check the debt on this company is only 24 crore rupees. So all in all, we checked all these companies have a very less debt and the scope of growth in this sector is very high. If you check the international market for the defense sector, it is valued at around $800 billion and it is growing very fast. So if you are interested into the defense companies of India, you can check these companies out and you can do your own research or take help of your financial advisor. If you have any doubts regarding the defense sector, you can just comment below. I will be happy to help you and do subscribe my YouTube channel for more such interesting updates.